This is NPK 2020. Ginger in sacks is going good for now. Seems like a bit overwatering because of the local rainy season nowadays. These two are almost 4 months, I can say, and this one is going to be taking almost a month up till now. Today is the time to spray uh, all the veggies with this nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium spray. Here we got chickpeas. This is grown from the seed, store-bought. Let's give it a bath. We have already planted a few more chickpeas seeds here. Here you can see the garlic and these potatoes with the mango growing inside, along with the onion and green chilies at the back, and the coriander bed. The experimental one is going really good. We got a few here. We pluck it and used it for making chutney. We call it chutney. It's a sauce used here with food, and that's the ginger. I'll keep you posted once done with the NPK. Done.